YouTube, we here. We at the park. I'm about to go find somewhere to meditate. Now, I ain't gonna hold y'all. This don't look like my type of environment. I got my sage with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna find some water flow so I can go sit down and, do my thing. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna see if I can. I seen where some rocks and stuff was at. I'm gonna, walk across the rocks or whatever. I think somebody's fishing right now. Now, as an African American, bro, you have to be aware of your surroundings, bro. Especially being in an environment like this. This is a rich neighborhood, but motherfuckers think because you got a lot of money that you innocent. No, these the silent and patient killers. So you gotta watch where you at, man. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna flip the camera in a little bit so y'all can see pretty much the environment that I'm in right now. Now, I'm gonna go meditate for a couple of minutes. You know what I'm saying? I wish I had a dog, bro. This would be a great spot to walk my dog. And one thing about me, bro, I don't mind driving over here to take for a dog. You know what I'm saying? To take my dog over here to have fun. Whatever makes my dog happy, I'm willing to, do whatever. But I'm gonna flip the camera. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see the background of these beautiful trees too. So y'all just stay tuned, man. All right. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get me some nice little pictures on my digital camera. Now I ain't trying to go too far. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to go that far. You crazy though. But yeah, man, I'm gonna find somewhere where I seen some rocks and a little water flow somewhere around here. I'm gonna see if I can find that. But y'all just stay tuned. Find somewhere that I can meditate and burn my sage. You know what I'm saying? Now I seen it online, but that's different from in person, you know. Now I gotta try to go find it. That's this lady. Alright, YouTube, so it turns out I was actually going the wrong way the whole time, which is fine. You know, accidents are very common. Mistakes are very common, So the whole time I was going the wrong way. But I found it. So I probably should have worn some shoes. But then again, I'm becoming one with nature. So guess what I'm about to do, chat? I ain't gonna lie, I was about to slam my backpack on the ground, but I forgot I had my camera in there. I'm about to become one with nature. You know what I'm saying? So ain't no need for no shoes or no, Don't mind my toes, man. And yeah, y'all give me 1 second. I gotta put these up. So I'm gonna see if this spot over here is good. Right here. And if that spot ain't good enough for me, then I'm gonna go over there. That's nice. But this is nice too. This is cool. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to burn some sage, and let some of the bad spirits off. All the negative energy. I gotta get it gone, So I know I'm saying a lot, but that's just me. So bear with me. Ouch. Yeah, this is nice, chat. I really want to go over there, but it's probably mosquitoes over there, so that's probably not much of a great idea. But so I'm about to get a few flicks in, and then I'm gonna pick the camera up once I'm burning sage. All right, YouTube, we back. Now I'm just kind of experiencing it, trying to see what's up with the surroundings, and trying to figure out what type of people attend here before I get too comfortable. So far, so good. Now I probably need it at a better angle. Right here. I want to set the camera up all around, but my anxiety is too bad. I'm about to burn some sage and let some steam off. Y'all just bear with me. So the next time I come out here, hopefully y'all can hear me. The next time I come out here, I will be on a mushroom. Okay? Now I done did a mushroom before and I love it. Let me get some fluid. Let me get a few flicks on the gram. Y'all give me 1 second. Alrighty. So as y'all can see, I was gonna say I got my feet out. Yeah, I got my feet out. Hold on. These rocks got my feet hurting. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This is a this is a nice place to meditate, man. You got the rain, the waterfall right here. I mean, man, it's just perfect, you know. Now, I'm gonna kind of get some time to myself. I'm gonna pick the vlog up a little bit later on, you know. I'm gonna meditate for a little bit, do an inhale, exhale, and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna get a video of me just walking across there, you know. But that'll probably be on my camera though. Yeah, that'll be on my camera. Y'all give me 1 second, bear with me. Bad, y'all, I'm tripping. So y'all probably get that video. I can't do that right now. I'm gonna do it like the next video when I'm on a shroom, because by then I should have a hard drive. But yeah, man, I mean, I wish I had this in my neighborhood. I can't complain at all. I forgot to bring a candle. Perfect. I mean, this is beautiful, bro. I'm trying to make sure it's done burning before I put it back in the bag. Hopefully, I really hope y'all can hear me. I'm gonna give me a microphone. That way I can make sure that I know for a fact that you guys can hear me. All right, I'm about to walk across just because I feel like it. Y'all give me a minute. I mean, like, why not? You know? It would be nice if I had somebody to do this with. I feel like I feel more secure, more safe because I have an extra eye with me. But at least I don't feel alone, you know. That's all that matters. I'm about to walk through this water. So I'm gonna flip the camera. Y'all just stay tuned. So I'm assuming that, okay, that was not a brilliant idea because that's very slippery. So we're not gonna do that. I think because it's I mean, I still could, but I'm just not gonna do it because I'm a very clumsy person. So I don't think that's a very great idea. At least I tried. You know what I'm saying? At least I tried to do it for y'all, but I ain't trying to knock myself out, you know. I mean, it's a very decent place to meditate, you know. Someone's walking their dog down there. Chad, I'm talking about as soon as I stepped on that rock, excuse my language. As soon as I stepped on that rock, I almost literally fell. So I don't think that's a great idea. And so the lady was saying that if I would have came from that side, that wouldn't have been a good view, which is, I totally agree with that. But yeah, gang, y'all see my feet, they're a little dirty, but that's fine. So I'm gonna have to bring a candle because my lighter is not really working for my sage, so I can meditate and you know, release all the bad energy. It's working, but it's kind of a windy place right now, you know. Well, I'm gonna see if I can light it now. I'm finding some difficulties trying to lighter. I'm light my light. What? Trying to. There we go. Looks like we got it lit now. I'm about to walk on. Oh, can't forget my camera's in my pocket. I mean, what's going on with me? Okay. Anyways, I can't forget that my camera is in my backpack because I was about to lean against it. Now we got it lit, so we about to go back down there and meditate. Somebody slides is over here. I ain't seen nobody yet. But we're gonna go on back to where we was, you know, in our little spot. And meditate. Listen about dry land. Let me my bad, y'all. I was just singing a random line from Kendrick Lamar. I gotta get a thumbnail. Alright. Alright, cool. Alright. I'm all dirty. I should have put on some shorts, is what I was gonna say. Whoever thought I'd be doing this, like, as a kid? I mean, as a kid, this seemed fun to me. Like, I always like being involved in nature. But I was never able to be outside because I was allergic to everything. Well, at least that's what the doctor said. Shit, I'm over here burning my nails. Because of that paper. That paper got me burnt. I'm like, why is my nail burning? And you know what I'm saying? This right here was wrapped around and then it was burning. We're gonna try to meditate for 5 minutes. I know y'all keep saying, y'all like, why you ain't, I gotta keep waking up. Yeah, because I almost fell asleep. I gotta keep, like, getting back up to watch my surroundings, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not familiar with this area. So, kind of just gotta keep, you know, just, y'all understand what I'm trying to say. Now my sage is still burning. I'm gonna try to get a few more flicks of nature, man. Now I got another lens on the way. You know what I'm saying? I got another lens on the way. I'm gonna get it. Shoot some pictures and stuff like that. Alright, that's enough. Look. This is the only thing. This is what I got here for. I got here just to look at this waterfall. Now there's more to this park, but I ain't here. I'm only here for this waterfall. I love natural water flow. Like, I be looking stuff like this up on YouTube. And now I got it in real life. I feel like a kid right now. But I'll probably be out here for a couple of more minutes and leave. I don't want to get caught up in traffic. And I mean, it's not that far from the crib, but yeah, I'm just making up excuses. So y'all just bear with me. Stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. So this video is basically just me becoming one with nature, you know. Becoming one is tapping back into that inner childhood. The inner childhood, you know, as a kid, you always loved exploring nature. And I'm just back to doing that. That's simply what I'm doing. Just exploring nature again. Enjoying nature at the same time while exploring and learning to love nature. You know, I've always loved nature though. But I was never able to do stuff like this. Now that I'm old enough, I'm doing it. You know, I mean, I want a cat too. I kind of want a cat to come out here and do this with me. You know, I'm gonna get one once I move into my apartment. I'm gonna get a cat. I'm gonna either get a black cat or I'm gonna get a. I want a black cat. Get a black cat, or I'm gonna get a turquoise. No, what is that? I'm gonna pop the picture up of the cat. I'm gonna show the picture on the screen of the cat. Y'all just stay tuned, gang. I'm not gonna hold y'all, chat. When I get my house built, it gotta have this. I gotta have some land to where it have this. Or and not only that, I'm talking about like this whole, not just the water, I'm talking about the tree. It gotta look just like this. Exactly like, it gotta have rocks where you can meditate on. And give me 1 second, I'm about to flip the camera to say something else. See what I'm saying? Like, it gotta look, it has to look like this. It has to. Y'all see the special little rocks and stuff, you know. And I'm gonna have some turtles in here, and I'm gonna have some Oscars. I love Oscars. I'm gonna have Oscars, turtles, and koi fish. No fishing. You can't fish on my property. Don't come. It's free to everyone, but no fishing. And I ask that everyone clean up after themselves. I'm gonna have a spot specifically like this, just so you can meditate on it. And not only that, the water is probably gonna be up to like 8 feet, just so we could swim in it, swim with the fishes. And it gotta have this part too. It gotta have everything. But I'm gonna have like a little gate around it, you know, just so I don't want that much wildlife around, you know, invading in my stuff. Like coyotes, I don't want no coyotes around my stuff. I probably have some dogs and some cats running around, just to you know, secure the property. I have some big dogs around, make sure they can swim so nothing goes wrong if they fall in the water. My cats, I'm gonna have some specific spots in the trees to where they can climb up and chill. Like it's this tree that's over there somewhere that y'all probably seen it. Y'all gonna see it in the beginning of the video. I'm gonna have trees like that so you can chill on. I'm gonna have some benches. I probably put a bench. No, there's no need for a bench. This is gonna be a sitting area right here. Or you can sit right here at your own risk though. At your own risk. Cause that was slippery. I almost bust my head walking on that. Sit there at your own risk. But I'm gonna sit there, you know what I'm saying? But all right, y'all. I'm probably about to head home. I'm gonna be here tomorrow for sure. No, I won't. I'm going to my granny house. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little, show y'all what's going on with my. Not show y'all what's going on. I'm gonna basically just give y'all another vlog, a whole nother scenery. This is part 2 of my life. This is part 1. If y'all wondering what I do with my spare time, this is what I like to do. This is literally, I can be here all day. Now, I like playing with fire, too. So, like, bringing that sage was kind of fun to me. Just be here all day, explore. I like to explore, but it's like, when you're unwanted in a certain area, you're not able to explore. I don't really want to walk around and explore because it's always somebody else minding my business. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm gonna get this built on my property. That way I can do it myself. I can explore. It could be 12 o'clock midnight and I want to explore, I'm gonna do it. Like I'll be walking around my property at 12 o'clock at midnight with my dogs and just walking around, you know what I'm saying? Going hiking or whatever you want to call it. 12 o'clock midnight. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm getting my shoes ready. Gotta get my socks. But this is, if you don't know what to be grateful for in life, you feel like it's nothing to be grateful for in life, just thank God for this. Go out in nature and explore. This is something to be thankful for. This is very peaceful. Do y'all hear that water? Bro, I kid you not. Me and my cousin have displays of stuff like this on this TV. You know how like when your TV go idle and it pop up certain wallpapers, he'll get on YouTube and look this up. And I'm looking at it in real life. So I'm thankful. You know what I'm saying? Well, let me not yap y'all head off. Y'all stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later, gang.